Okay, this is a PHP script I'm doing here. I'm doing it like a Twitter system. So first of all, I have my follow plus PHP here, and then here is me actually. This I have my friends. It will give me a list of friends over here, and then I have I can follow them as well. I can follow them. So here I want to follow this lady. So I'll do the effects. You see. Okay. Let's take this. And then followers 0. Okay. So very good. And then follow and follow. Like that. Good. Good. Now let's take this. This guy has 2 followers. So first of all, let me unfollow everybody here. Now, these are 2 users I'm having, and they all can follow and unfollow people. First of all, we all have friends. I found some Kofigo and Sammy. Kofigo too have friends. I found some James Bond and Sammy. Yes. So here, this is 0 followers, no friends. Tweets. Here are tweets. You can paste the tweets. Hey there. Post it. Hey there. The tweet comes. And in the future, I'll do how you can reply to and all that. So these are all tweets. Now in this application that I'm trying to build, you see lessons made by people and you like them by following them. So you go to friends, you know this lady. Okay, let's say I like this guy. All he's saying is very sensible. All that he's saying are very sensible. You go to friends, and here is who he is. So you follow him. So you go home, you get 1 follower. So you click on follow, Kofigo, you are following. You can choose to unfollow. Now, immediately you follow him, as you can see, all his posts has been posted at your dashboard. That's the magic. Everything has been posted at your dashboard. So in the near future, Oberry that I'm gonna do is gonna be over. Now, let's go back. Let me see. Now, Kofigo. In the near future, I'd have Kofigo, someone this is that is following you. You understand? Very good. But right now, Kofigo has friends. The same old friends. Tweets. You get to see all the tweets made by all his friends. Kofigo would also like this lady. So we'll go to friends and then follow. Good. So when Kofigo comes back, home, now he's gonna see everything posted by his friend over here. So that's how it works. And you get 1 follower. So in this scenario, Kofigo can go to friends again and follow Sammy. Sammy is his one and only party. When you go to him, you get to see Sammy's post as well. It's very magical. So you get to see friends of which you have. Okay, so that's for today. Thank you and bye bye.